Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use ChatGPT to create a trading bot that can be executed on TradingView. So let's hop right into it. Before I show you guys how to create the trading bot step by step, I wanted to talk to you guys about what is TradingView and what is PineScript, the programming language. So TradingView is a charting platform and social network used by 30 million plus traders and investors worldwide to spot opportunities across global markets. Essentially, it's a charting platform that people use for stocks and crypto, including myself. It's the #1 top website in the world when it comes to all things investing. They have a 4.9 rating on the App Store, and they have 10 million plus custom scripts and ideas shared by users. So how are we going to use TradingView to create and execute a trading bot? So what we're going to do is we're going to use PineScript. So PineScript is a programming language created by TradingView to backtest trading strategies and create custom indicators. It was designed to be lightweight, and in most cases, you can achieve your objectives with fewer lines of code compared to other programming languages. So it's not based on any other languages, but if you use Python, that'll help you pick it up quicker. So why should we use PineScript? Well, it has built-in data, meaning that they have a plethora of data available at your fingertips, ready to access with as little as one line of code. It's easy to learn. They even do error checking for you. And it has an extensive user base and library, meaning some of these strategies or trading bots might have already been created by other people, and it's open source, so you guys can go ahead and learn from other programmers. So let's go to ChatGPT and let's have it write a trading bot for us. So what I did is I wrote, write me a trading bot designed in PineScript using RSI to find good entries. So it said, sure, here's an example of a trading bot in PineScript that uses RSI indicator to find good entries. So the trading bot uses that to find oversold and overbought conditions. When it falls below the oversold level, the bot generates a long entry signal and vice versa. And it defines as taking profit at 100 points or a loss of 50 points for both long and short. Just note that this is a basic example, and you may want to modify the entry and exit rules to suit your specific trading strategy. So just like anything, you guys should be using this as an outline and not necessarily using it to copy and paste. But just for this example, I'm going to copy and paste this directly, and let's see if this works in TradingView. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control-C, copy that. Go to tradingview.com. Anyone can sign up for a free account. And you're going to get to the advanced chart. So you're going to click on BTC USD, click on advanced chart, and that'll pull you up to this candlestick chart. From there, you can click on Pine Editor here at the bottom. That'll open up this area that you can copy and paste code in. So let's paste that code in that was given to us by ChatGPT. Let's save that, and let's click Add to Chart. So what that's going to do is add this to the chart in real time, and you can even see some of the entries and exits here. Pink being the entries, red being the exits, I believe. So the best thing to do here after this is to go ahead and look at the performance. So it has a net profit of about $200 or 0.2%, almost 50% profitable, almost a 2 profit factor, the max drawdown being $7 USD, the average trade being 23 cents in profit. So you can see the performance summary here. It gives you a bunch of good data here for net profit, gross profit. You can see the exact trades that it's making and the exact date that it'll be making these trades. So these trades date all the way back, and we can scroll all the way back down, and you can see that these trades scroll back into even 2020. And then we can see the properties it's using RSI. And if we go back here to the overview, we can see that this trade bot was actually profitable by 0.2%. I know that's not much, but it's extremely powerful that ChatGPT was able to kind of create a trading bot out of nothing that was able to be profitable. So I recommend you guys use this as an outline for coding or trading bots, and then kind of edit it to suit your own strategy. But let's talk about how you can use ChatGPT when it comes to investing and trading as a whole. So I asked it some of these other questions, such as how to identify when Bitcoin has bottomed using RSI, EMA, and Bollinger Bands. So it even tells me that Bitcoin is extremely volatile and that I should do my own research, but it does explain these different indicators here and how I can use them to be profitable. On top of that, I asked it, a stock I'm looking at is near a 5-year trend line support. Is it a good time to buy? So it tells me a bunch of different things. It talks about fundamental analysis, technical analysis, risk management, And in general, once again, it tells you to do your own research so you can make a well-informed decision. Then I asked it finally, what are some good dividend stocks to buy in a recession and why? During a recession, investors often seek out dividend-paying stocks as they provide steady income stream and may offer stability in a volatile market. But you do always have to understand that there is risk when it comes to investing in anything, including stocks. So it writes out 5 different investments that we can make here in Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, Pepsi, AT&T, and Dominion. These are all large cap American companies that usually are pretty safe, and they've had consecutive years of dividend increase, with AT&T having 30 years consecutively, Dominion having 15 years. So it's extremely, extremely powerful to use tools like this. ChatGPT is extremely useful when it comes to trading and investing, but remember to do your own research and come up with your own strategy. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.